Oh! Oh, hey, little poppers. What the fuck? Okay, so today, as you can see, I have a table full of tools, and we've got some other things that we want to get taken care of. Like, I want to get the fenders off of the front of the Mustang today, because we're going to use these old fenders to practice doing some flares on, because I know I'm probably not going to get it right my first try. So hopefully we can get that all done today. We'll show you about that. We're going to put this all on the shelf. We're going to finish making the dollies, and we're going to maybe even get this thing up on the dolly. I still have the 289 engine in there, but I ordered a cherry picker, and it's just not going to get here for a week, and I'm just super anxious to just get rolling on this. But I digress. So we're just going to take care of those few things, button it up like that, get these stuff put away on the shelf, and go from there. All right. There. I'm gonna take my table saw, and we're gonna build some more rolling casters, block stands. All right. Let's look. This is 15 and a half by 15 and a half. That sounds great to me. We're gonna open this. I'm pretty sure I know what it is. This is an engine hoist lift plate, universal. Supposedly this will fit on my 289 block, and we'll be able to hoist that 289 out of there. And this will also work nice for hopefully mounting to the Coyote, and we got a cherry picker coming to drop that in there, so away we go. Rolling dolly is done. Quick pupper check, there they go. How you guys doing? What's up, Hogan? We took the puppies to go do some, they got neutered and spayed. So, they're ready to go get adopted with the Humane Society. Hello, Sergeant. How you doing, you slowpoke? Hey, Pepper. Little Pepper Potty. Oh my God, she's adorable. She's a pretty girl. And, of course, they're in their Pool No More collars, because they are wonderful, hypoallergenic, made of a nice like rubbery PVC material. They're very durable and chew resistant, and very nice color too. So I like that. They're also waterproof, so it works out great for these guys. So maybe we'll just go over some of this stuff, maybe we won't. So on our agenda now is to get these fenders off. This right here, Harbor Freight, the Hercules Ultra Torque, busts any nut. There's just no nut it can't bust. Does not matter how rusty it is. Does not matter how fucked it is. What the fuck? Well, at this point, I realized we got a little bit more work than I anticipated to get these fenders off. I needed to take the tire off, just to take off the chrome bumper, to take off the bumper supports. We're gonna end up having to take off the grill. We're gonna have to take off the valance. Yeah, we got a lot of work here to do to get these fenders off, but nothing better to do. Might as well get after it. Rusty son of a gun there. I don't know that I can get to you. Not without an extension. That's gonna be fun. Oh, hey, little poppers. Hey there, little guy, just checking it out. Yeah, I know. That's a Hercules Ultra Torque. You can get it at Harbor Freight. Pretty good deal. Pretty good deal for the package. Okay, yeah, no, good time. See you later. That up one minute already. That's fine. Here we go. Front valence off the car. I guess we're just taking it apart and then we'll just put it back together. It'll be fine.
A few moments later.
Rusty nuts. Oh no! She broke off. Probably should have went with the 16 to begin with. Probably wouldn't have broke the nut. That's my fault. That's okay. Welcome to Real House Mechanics of OKC. Where's Andy Cohen? Because this is a disaster. Yeah, baby. See, would have busted the nut just fine. Whoa! Hi-oh! Look at that. Chrome off the bumper. Now we can go back to what we did need to do from the get-go. Just get this part off. Might just fall off. Oh! Yeah, Snap-on works. That's nice, but this ratchet was like $200 freaking dollars. I mean, I don't know if it's that nice. I really like my Icon stuff a lot. My Icon, anything I got from Harbor Freight pretty much kicks ass. Hey-o! Well, that about wraps it up for this episode. We accomplished all the goals we were looking to do today. We got both the fenders off, but we also got the valance and the bumper and the grill off. We got the dollies all finished up. That's going to help us keep the car level and square. And then we also got the parts put onto the shelf, dedicated for just the Mustang that I had cleaned off. So I'm really happy about that. Going to try to keep everything real organized. So next time we're going to be talking about getting in our suspension from AJE, American-made tubular racing suspension. I'm really excited about that. And we'll also be talking about hopefully getting some of the parts for our Fastback conversion from Kentucky Mustangs. So stay tuned, give us a like, give us a follow, and we'll see you on the next episode.